Hey friends, Eric Zanatelli here with the last video about credit repair for a while. I think we've exhausted the topic, and we've been talking about people having the idea that disputing their credit report items will increase their credit score. The problem is getting them disputed these days is almost impossible. So here's what I'm going to tell you. If I pull 10 credit reports this month and 7 people have a 580 credit score, a year from now, 5 to 6 of those people will still have a 580 credit score because they haven't changed their habits. If you want good credit, it's a matter of habits, taking care of your credit, paying your bills, and paying your bills on time. There are some things that people can do immediately to increase their credit score. We know how to do that. We don't charge any money for that. You don't have to pay us for that. We can walk you through how to do it. In fact, we help people every month that we started with 6 to 12 months ago, and they were not in a position to buy, and now they're in a position to buy because they took our advice and they didn't pay credit repair companies any money at all. There may be some good credit repair companies out there. I'm not saying they're not. What I can tell you is we haven't experienced a whole lot of them. If you would like to get from where you're at to where you want to be, to where you can buy a house today so you'll have a house for your family, my team and I would be honored if we could assist you with that. Please message me down below, private message me, or give me a call because we'd love to add you to the list of people we're helping in 2025. Have a fantastic day.